A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, I'm going to read from one of my favorite passages them out of the New Testament about one conversation between Jesus and one woman. It kind of long, but I beg you stay with me to the end because something in it for you. Yeah. I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 4 from verse 1 to verse 42. Now, the Pharisee them did hear say Jesus did get and baptize more follower than John. But Jesus name baptize a soul. I'm follower them did I do it. When the Lord find out, say, the Pharisee them hear about what did I go on, him left from Judea and go back to Galilee. But him did have to pass through Samaria first. No, when him did go through Samaria, him end up in a one town where they call Sychar. Sychar name far from the land where Jacob did give him boy Joseph. And Jacob did dig one well there. When Jesus reached the well, he did so tired, him sit down side of it. That did both middle day. No, one Samaritan woman come to draw water from out of the well. So Jesus asked her, say, beg you for some water for drink. That time they, him follower them, they gang buy food in the town. So now, the Samaritan woman said to Jesus, say, you are one Jew, and me I want Samaritan woman. Oh, you for they ask me for your water for drink. She says so. Because the Jew them they mix and mingle with Samaritan people. Jesus answered and said, if you didn't know about the special sitting where God give, if you didn't know who they ask you for water, you would have asked him for water. And him would have give it and make you live one new sort of life. So she said to him, say, but sir, you don't have no bucket for take draw water. Plus, the well deep. So, on which part you going to get that kind of water there where you are talking about? You're bigger than we father Jacob. We give it a well here. And we all drink water from out of it. Him boy picnic them. And him animal them. So Jesus tell her, say, everybody will drink water from out of the well, yeah, going to get thirsty again. But anybody will drink the water when me give, nah go thirsty again. You see, the kind of water when me go give when turn one spring in him, one when a tap run and we cause him to live forever. Sir, the woman say again, beg you give me some of that water there so that me can't get thirsty again. And so that me not have to come back at the well yeah, to draw no more water. So Jesus tell her, say, go and go call your husband and come back. Me not have no husband, she said to him. So Jesus said to her, I true you dey talk when you say you don't have no husband. Because all of 5 of them you have already. And the man you there with know enough for your husband. What you say are true. Sir, she said to Jesus, me can't see say you are one prophet. We father them worship God panda mountain. Yeah. But uno Jew people talk about our Jerusalem people for worship God. So Jesus said to her, say, lady, trust me panda one yeah. The time I go come when people now go worship the Father panda mountain yeah, are in a Jerusalem. Uno Samaritan people worship when we don't know about. We worship what we know about. Because the Jew people them gotta go use to save the people them in the world. But the day and time they come, and they are know, and they are know when the people them will really worship the Father, when worship Him, how the Spirit want them to worship Him, and from way down in them heart, because at them the sort of people that the Father look for worship Him. Because you see, God a spirit, and them will worship Him, must worship Him how the Spirit want them to worship. And they must do it from way down in them heart. Then the woman said to him, say, me know say the Messiah, the one where them call the Christ, I come. When him come, him a go tell we how everything go. Jesus said to her, say, me him. Me, when they attack to you. No. Same time now, Jesus followed them, come back, and then shocked for find him attack to one woman. But nobody never said to her, away you want. And none of them ever asked him, say, how we make you attack to her? So the woman now, she left the water pan where she carried to put water in, and she run go back in at the town. When she reached there, she said to the people them, Uno come look for one man will tell me about all of the things that me ever do. Uno think say him could have the Christ. Then the people them left out of the town and make for which part Jesus did they. Said time that did I go on, Jesus followed them, did I beg him for Nyam sitting. Them said to him, say, teacher, Nyam sitting now. But Jesus tell them, say, me have food for Nyam we uno no know about. So then start to tell them one another. Nobody ain't carry nothing come give him for Nyam. Not true. For me food, Jesus said to them, I fi do where the one will send me come here, want me fi do. And fi finish up the work in gimme. No uno say plant today, get a 4 months after. But I dey tell you no, walk up on the eye and look on the farmland them. The food them fit and ready for reap up. The somebody will get out the food and get film pay. And the food when they gather are people we're going to live forever. So now, him we plant and him we gather. The two of them going glad together. So a true certain people are talk about when you hear them say, one somebody plant seed, but somebody else gather the food. Me send you out for gather up when you work hard for plant. Other people do the hard work. And uno uncle I go in and I get up with them work hard for plant. No, not for the Samaritan people them. When they left out of the town, they believe in a Jesus. Them believe in him sake of what the woman did tell them say. She said, him tell me about everything we may ever do. So when they find Jesus, they beg and beg him, for no left, but for tandem with them. So in tandem with them, 2 more days, and whole heap more of them trust in him. Sake of what him say. Them said to the woman, say, I know just through you tell we about him, make we believe in him. I can we see and hear him for ourselves. And sake of that, we know, say, I really the man ya, I go save the world for true. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.